Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. It appears that the aforesaid practice of claiming allowable deductions was sought to be followed in the subsequent assessment years, and the High Court, by the common impugned judgment dated 24/11/2006, answered the reference qua the assessment years 1976, 77 and 1981-82 full stop para. Now turning to the High Court order, this fourth round again went in favor of the Revenue Department, answering the reference accordingly full stop. In terms of the reasoning of the High Court, it was a mixed bag for the two sides full stop. The argument of the Revenue Department that such interest income of the appellant corporation would fall within the category of income from other sources under section 56 of the IT Act, for which allowable deductions are enumerated under section 57 of the IT Act was, however, repealed full stop. The Revenue Department further sought to argue that the advances were in the form of application of income rather than expenditure of income full stop. It also argued that the loans disturbed were liable to be refunded in terms of the agreement under which they were advanced, making them ineligible to be treated as expenditure full stop. Moreover, once the interest income was received, it merged into section 13 fund of the appellant corporation and lost its character as business income full stop para. The High Court opined that since the business of the appellant corporation was to receive funds and to then advance them as loans or grants, the interest income earned which was so applied would also fall under the head D of the section 14 of the chapter 4 of the IT Act under the head of profits and gains of business or profession being a part of its normal business activity full stop. The High Court delved into the scheme of the NCDC Act and in view of section 13, which provided for the creation of a fund, being the common pool where all erections get amalgamated, including from interest on loans and dividends and interest earned on FDRS full stop. It was held that the monies which were advanced from the fund cannot be distinctly identified as forming part of the interest income full stop. The other aspect the High Court opined on was that in order to claim deduction as a revenue expenditure, the appellant corporation has to first establish that it incurred as expenditure full stop. The advancement of loans to the state governments and cooperative societies would not be claimed as expenditure, as the same does not leave the hands of the appellant corporation irretrievably full stop. It is not necessary for us to delve further into this issue, as that was not the question framed to be answered full stop para. We are now faced with civil appeals in relation to different assessment years, which arise from the common judgment dated 24/11/2006 and the common order dated 12/7/2007, which had in turn relied on 24/11/2006 judgment full stop. The particulars are in a tabulated from as under full stop over.